How to buy unit token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Funds your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, go and check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on as you can see. So it's now, as you can see, live on CoinGisco. So this token it's available on CoinGisco, as you can see. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now paste the token address here in the search bar here. After that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet, and now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called unit. So now just keep searching. After you find it, now click on it and click here on swap. Switch from here. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy unit token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.